Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I am still at Bases Loaded Lacquer headquarters.
Hey y'all!
And gonna do another video here with some more Prime Day deals. So the 16th and 17th, which is Tuesday and Wednesday this week.
No, that will fit.
Okay, I don't know what I was saying. This is Modelones. They've sent me some PR to show you guys for Prime Day. So Amazon Prime Day, July 16th and 17th. If you don't know, you're hiding under a rock because all I hear is Prime Day, Prime Day, Prime Day. So Tuesday and Wednesday, yes. The 16th and 17th is Prime Day. Modelones also has regular op-degular polishes.
Regular op-degular.
And they sent me these. I personally am not a fan of neutrals like this, but this is what I got. But I want to tell you, there are so many beautiful colors that they have in like groupings. And I'll put a couple screenshots up in here across the screen to show you all the different ones. There's tons of them. But you can go check them out. I do have a discount code for you to use. If by chance something's not on Prime Day sale, you can still use this code. I'll put it across here, and the link will be down below. That is also in my Amazon shop, so you can shop there. And you can. They also sent some base coat and top coat. These are gel.
She's giving them to Tara.
I'm giving them to Tara. I've got some. They sent more, so I'm going to give them to Tara.
I love these.
It's just base coat and top coat, you know.
But who doesn't need extra base and top coat?
I do. Yeah. But I've got like a whole shelf full of extra base coat, top coat, and nail dehydrator and primer. I actually gave the last set I had of these to Casey, and she really loved it too. I love them. I use them.
Well, keep them. Give them to Casey.
I think I have a couple of them actually. But there are a Bond dehydrator and primer for gels and acrylics, and
that's the only dehydrator and primer that I use on Nana. On Nana.
Oh yeah.
And we have no problem.
So I painted my nails.
She's gonna do me.
And then I went swimming and I chipped them all up, and it's
they really are pretty on.
Yeah,
they're gorgeous.
Yeah, they are. It's just
a porky pig pink. I have a porky pig pink skin undertone to my skin.
I mean, to be fair, I have been in the pool and I've got some tan. So let me pop these all out so you don't have to watch that. Okay, I'm confusing everybody here. All right, so this one is this.
It's absolutely gorgeous on her skin tone.
But she doesn't think it's going to look good on her skin tone, so we're not going to use that one.
No.
But there it is.
These are little bottles too.
Yeah, they are. They're 5 ml bottles, so they're small, but they're glass. They're pretty. They're cute. Yeah. I mean,
they're faceted. They are beautiful.
I mean, regular people
listen,
don't go through that much.
Modelones got that packaging game down.
They do.
They really
but,
do.
You know, most people don't use that much polish when they're painting their nails. It'll take you a while probably to get through that little bottle. This one is also she did not want on her nails, and it is.
I do. I just think it would look poopy on me.
That's this one. Yeah. That is this one. And then
I don't want that one on me.
You don't want this one either. And this is this one.
It's a gorgeous palette.
It is. It is. So we're gonna do these 3, and 2 of these are shimmers. We're gonna check these out. Then this one is the shimmery pinky.
Are you just going right into swatching?
Going right in. What else we gotta do?
She wants to stamp a little bit too.
I'm gonna do a little stamping. She did a little chippy chip.
Yeah, I snapped my nail.
I'm not okay, so we would normally I would clean the nail beds, make sure everything was buffed, and put a base coat on.
We don't care about that.
We don't care about that right now. We're just looking at the polish and just doing a little bit for you. Look how pretty.
That is stunning.
It is so pretty.
I told her because I just did some nail art on her. And as I was, I think, stamping over her thumb there that y'all see, my stamping got smeared when I top coated it.
It was really pretty.
This base color is giving like Mother of the Bride, and I don't want y'all to think that Mother of the Bride equals old lady. It's just a very gorgeous, neutral I hate to say nude even, because nude is different for every person. You know what I mean? It's just neutral.
And you know,
but it's still sparkly and gorgeous.
Me, mother of the bride, I would not. I would make sure my nails were.
Oh, would totally outshine the bride.
None of that. None of that. That neutral crap. That makes me so mad. Like, oh, they're getting engaged. She wants a neutral palette for her engagement ring. No, you want bright red and go, look at my hand. So you want to draw to your hand. You got some nude colored nails on. Ain't nobody want to look at that.
Yep. I'm just, I was thinking if you wanted something.
Yeah, everybody.
Classy.
People do. I'm not classy.
For a job interview, maybe, because a lot of people stress out about what they can wear in a freaking job interview.
Yeah, they do. Depends on what job you have, I guess. Okay. See, she had the cat. The cat made an appearance and was in half of her video. Be sure and watch her video. We did a What's Up Nails haul and showed you all the water slides, water decals that she has.
Water decals?
Water decals.
Yeah, look at her middle nail, y'all. Her swearing finger.
My swearing finger. And these puppies.
We did poppies.
All these.
Y'all, I hauled some stuff.
She hauled some stuff. Go check all that out. I'll put her link up here to that video.
Damn, that means I got to get my video out in a hurry.
Yeah.
Damn.
Well, I don't know if you'll be able to, because I got to do this for prom day.
I'm telling you.
You got to get to editing. Oh, she's going to be so stressed out.
I am. I haven't finished damn Born Pretty. Shit. Oh, the life of a content creator.
I'm just going.
There's just other shit I'd rather be doing than editing video.
Yeah, we all hate editing the videos.
Yeah.
Like filming. Like doing
filming's fine. It's the editing I can't stand.
Hate it. We aren't big enough to have our own editors.
No, I wish we were rich and we could afford to pay other people to edit our content. Mm-hmm. I'm not complaining. I know other people have it much worse than we do.
Bisquick, we're banking on Bisquick making $1 million.
Yeah, this damn cat is she raking it in over there on the tickies.
Too bad it's not making me any money.
It will.
I hope.
Little money maker. You didn't finish your cookie.
I know. I got full.
Oh my God.
I know.
The cakey cookie filled you up.
No, it was good.
Y'all, my husband is over here. Literally, G Money's like, how do y'all not have cookies in your house? She's like, I have been craving cookies since I got here. You know what that man did? He literally got up and made her a batch of cookies from scratch. And then he made her another batch tonight.
I mean, who has company that doesn't have cookies in the house?
Now we have every
somebody ate all my cookies. Was it you or was it him?
What cookies?
What are they called? The Petridge Farm cookies. I bought some Petridge Farm chocolate chip cookies.
You literally bought those yesterday.
I know.
They're gone?
There was one left.
Okay, it wasn't me.
I
don't eat sweets.
I don't know. Somebody ate them. I don't care. That's fine. That's why I bought them. I just wanted one, so that's fine. I don't know who ate them. I put them up there because I wanted everybody to eat them.
It could have been anyone.
I put them up there for everybody to eat.
I'm
hanging out there because you're wet.
No, I like it. I just don't gravitate to sweets. So, like, okay, for example, let's say he makes like a batch of chocolate pudding or something, or a batch of cookies. I almost feel like just to get my fair share, air quote, of the snack,
that's my
that
house.
I have to eat it all at once and hoard it.
That's
Otherwise,
my house.
It will be gone the next day.
Yep.
So, I'm just not a sweet eater.
I buy stuff that Tom doesn't like so that I can have it.
Mm-hmm. I have to hide my snacky snacks if I want to keep his ass out of them.
Okay, I'm going to use her new What's Up Nails. Sorry, Model Ones. I'm not sure where they are on showing other stuff, other companies' stuff.
They're fine. Model Ones, you'll find. You'll get over it before your butt grows together.
Okay.
You'll be all right.
Okay. So she hauled some stuff from What's Up Nails and got an Uber Chic
We're just really playing with this Uber
Okay,
Chic
we are.
scraper.
I love this scraper.
love it.
It's so cool. So I'm gonna decide what I'm gonna do. Let her nails dry down a little bit, and we're gonna do a little artwork, some stamping, and show you some of it, not all of it. We don't want this video very long because I gotta edit it. All right, we got some Maniology stamping polish, and I'm gonna do some abstract stuff on her nails. Don't know yet.
Oh, did y'all see how they wound up?
Yep,
How
they're
they
very
ended up?
pretty.
Pretty.
It is pretty colors. It's too plain for me. I need more stuff.
She needs more color, more zhuzh.
And this is the sticky black.
Oh, don't forget to use her code Guylene325 to save 10% at Maniology.com.
Yeah. And let's do...
Did you tell them this is the Schools Out collection?
No.
The neon? Yeah, they got a, what is it, 6-piece?
Yeah.
6 or 7-piece neon collection. Gorge.
Is this new?
No, I want to say it came out last year.
Remember.
Yeah, they sent that to me for PR.
Oh, cool. Oh, well then use BLL10.
No. We both have Maniology codes. You use whatever you want to use. It's fine.
Oh,
We share.
let's, let's do some different colors.
And we're loving the Uber Chic scraper.
Love this scraper. And some pinks. She screws everything so tight.
I do. Tara screws them
It's,
tight. Yep.
Yeah. Gorilla tight.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm over here struggling.
I keep rubber bands in my drawer
I know.
just for that purpose.
I do too.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. See? Oh, see, it didn't stick. And that should stick because your polish is wet. Oh, there we go.
Look how cute that is. And look how good that pink looks even over black.
And we're just going to do little orange squigglies too. Little orange spots. Oh, I love that. That's so cute.
Gorge. Oh, I love it. This abstract stamping on every nail. I am so in love with these, y'all. Hopefully she will clean that off.
I'm going to.
She will. She will. We love her. Look at that. What a fun plate. All these abstracty little designs, and you just layer them up. Just willy-nilly. Willy-nilly.
And then I got Glisten and Glow Tapacoat for our final top coat.
These things will probably be off like tomorrow because we didn't use base coat. Oh well.
Yeah, mine
It's
are
fine.
mine are all tore up because I didn't use any base coat.
I'm going to be obsessed with these all night long. I love this Manny. Thank you, G-Money.
You're welcome. And
So-
as I tell all my clients, I'm sorry, but I have to charge you double now because I'm famous
That's right. That's
But-
right.
through
Thanks.
my cat.
Yeah, thanks,
I'm
Flapjack. Flapjack's over here just snoring away in his little cushy bed.
I'll wake him up soon and feed him before his last. Let him play out everything he can get out of him.
But y'all, he like sleeps through the night.
He does
He's such a good baby
until he bites your face off.
until he bites your face. Well, again, that's he He don't know how to use words, so he's got to scrim in your face, and then he bites your chin, and you're like, all right, you're out of here, dude.
Go to bed.
Sweet little baby. Yeah, so y'all, Amazon Prime Day, load up your cart, get to shopping. She will have a link to her storefront.
It's so funny
down in the description,
because Mr. Braves Diva is all about Prime Day, and he like lives his life for 6 months at a time,
planning for Prime Day and the Black Friday sales.
He's in there till 3 o'clock in the morning.
Mm-hmm. Y'all, last Black Friday, I think it was 27 orders he placed on Amazon Black Friday. During, those 2 days or whatever it is.
Cyber Monday's better usually.
Well, yeah, like during that during that whole weekend. 3 or 4 days or whatever. Yeah.
All right, here we go. They're very beautiful. These colors are awesome.
Yeah, we love this neutral palette, y'all.
It looks so cute. And this plate is awesome.
From What's Up Nails.
Yep. All right. Thanks, you guys, so much for joining me. Thank you, Tara.
Thank you. Thanks, G-Money.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Get him, Keely. Get him. Oh.
Hi, little baby. This is P105. Sorry, y'all have to see him. He's just made himself at home here. He helping. He gonna be the next big star. I know it.
He already is.
He is a star.
Much better than us.
On Tickies. Yeah, P105.
Tropicalado.
Tropicalado.